So you want to make pizza at home, and most recipes, should go like have like 1 million kilograms of flour, make 1 million pizza balls, and you want one pizza, just one perfect pizza dough. Yeah, just one perfect pizza dough today will be with one perfect pizza bowl, with one perfect pizza scale. So let's go prepare everything. So first of all, we need ice cold water. Yeah, better ice cold water, Thanks God we got these technologies. So you see recipe on the screen right now. We dilute some salt into the water, just easy dilute it. Then just add some flour, measure it, it's important. So after flour, we will use active dry yeast into the flour. And let's just mix it with yeast and then add it to our water slowly, little by little, mixing up. Time dough will come together, so it looks like this. You just go finish it up with your hands, press it, make one perfect pizza bowl just like this. And important part, before making your bowl, you need to leave it for rest for like 1 hour, maybe 2 hours is better. Yeah, and then only then after it's covered for 1 hour, you go and make your best pizza bowl. So after a few hours, so dough is proofed a little bit and we are kinda ready to go and to make our perfect pizza bowl just like this. So you just make these Napoli moves, you see, just go it together, dough inside, go and make it like this. It should be like kinda nice and smooth like this, just what to do with this pizza bowl. You go put it to the container with some oil, just a little bit oil, for 1 hour more, at least 1 hour more. And what's next? Next you just go to my channel and watch these videos on the screen right now. You can make like great pizza recipes from my channel with this awesome one perfect pizza bowl. Just go and watch it and enjoy your perfect pizza.